First, insert the USB drive into your computer. Open Bambu Studio and make sure you select your correct printer model. Once you are ready, slice the file and preview the model to ensure everything looks right. Next, select Export Plate Sliced File. Rename the 3MF file as needed so you can easily find it later. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer and plug it into your printer. On the printer's screen, navigate to the USB page and select your model file. Finally, verify that auto bed leveling and flow calibration are enabled. Start the print and you are good to go. Once it is completed, do not rush to pull it off. Always let the build plate cool down before removal. This helps the part release naturally. Once it is cool, proceed to remove your print. And that's how you print from a USB drive. Happy printing!